Sa mood ako magkwento, okay, magkwentuhan tayo. It all started, I left here, I was out for 7 days ata, 7 days. Tapos, Manila, Sydney, Adelaide. Yung base nung pinaka-team was in Adelaide, South Australia. When I came to Adelaide, it was my first time going to Australia. Wala pa akong Australian visa noon. First time talaga. It was something new for me. Adelaide, it's a small town in South Australia. It's very peaceful. Para siyang peaceful na BGC. Tapos, I did the fittings on the first day. I met the whole production team. I met the client. I met the directors. And it surprised me. When I went to the room, I was the only Filipina girl. I was the only Filipina women. All of them, they were all from Spain. They were all from the production. I'm talking about the production, the directors. They're all from different countries. From Spain, Malaysia, Singapore, Canada, US. Parang, I asked them if they were all based in Australia. Kasi syempre, yun yung isipin mo, baka team to ng production in Australia. No doubt. They all flew in weeks ago just to do the commercial. So parang ko, wow. Grabe guys. Parang, tapos lahat sila, parang iniintay na lang yung dumating ako for them to start. Parang ko, wow, parang, yun yung point na parang shocks. This is really big. This is really something big. For them to put on this much budget, to put everyone in that place all together, it's something really big. So everyone was so nice. Their working conditions was very different from ours. They were all so good. They were all like the best of the best. And they've done the commercials of Selena Gomez. Marami na. Like my hairstylist. Si Ken Arthur. He was the one who styled Selena Gomez hair dun sa commercial. Yung kila Ellie Goulding for their campaigns in Pantene. So parang, grabe, hinawakan nila yung buhok ni Selena. Thank you, nadaplisan ako. Alam mo yung ganong feeling? And, so Adelaide, I had the day off then sa Adelaide, so nakapag-ikot ako. And I love traveling. So for me, it's all adventure. It's all something new. Something to look forward to. It's purely not work for me. And then after that, we went to Whyalla. Whyalla, actually, pwede ka mag-plane from Adelaide to Whyalla, but it just so happened na kinailangan namin mag-land trip. So enjoy, land trip kami. First time ko nakapag-freeway sa Australia. Alam mo yung long drive, seeing the provinces of Australia. And when we went to Whyalla, nag-drive naman ulit kami going to Mount Ive. Mount Ive is where the desert is. It's somewhere in South Australia, yung tipong red sand, yung paligid mo. Parang yung feels mo parang kang nag-desert safari. Tapos naka-van kami, alam yung tipong pagtingin mo doon, bigla na may tattoo na kangaroo dyan, nakawala. Parang pagkadaan mo, may lizard, yung sobrang desert feels. The first time ko makita ng kangaroo sa buhay ko. Ganon. And, they're like the wild kangaroos, ganon. And walang signal sa place. No, totally isolated from the city. So, doon ko na-feel na parang ang ganda ng place and hindi mo siya pupuntahan kung wala kang business doon. So I felt very lucky to be there. Finally, when we arrived, there were all cottages kami. Small rooms, parang province, totally para kang magka-camping. Ganon level. So they provided an RV for me. RV na para doon kami matutulog and maliligo and whatsoever. It was also my first time staying in an RV. So dami kong first time. First time kong maka-experience ng overnight sa RV and it felt good. Ganun pala mag-camping ang mga sosyal. Nakakatawa. Kasi it felt so parang ang sarap sa feeling na you're getting all the experience for work. But it's not work for me. It's something very, parang adventurous kasi ako It's an adventure for me. Tapos, the next day, kami, rehearsal for the shoot. So they let me drive the Mustang, the classic Mustang. And wow, one of like the classic cars all time, di ba? Dami pong nangangarap makapag-drive ng Mustang. So I was very lucky to drive a Mustang, and actually, nagde-drive naman ako, pero hindi ako EDSA levels drive. Ano lang, you know, kabilang bahay, drive lang. Ganun lang, ganun drive lang. But I drive. So, syempre wala namang obstacle course sa desert, bilang free space lang siya. So, talagang grabe pinapag-100 nila ako, gano'n talaga. Ako yung nagde-drive sa commercial. May double, yes, meron. May stunt, driver, but they let me try to drive it talagang super fast. So, sobrang fun ng whole experience. They had 2 units for the shoot. The first main unit is dun sila sa desert. The desert is like so big, parang crystals yung nasa floor niya. Salt, literal salt, pero kumikilang. Ganun siya kaganda. And second unit is, nagtayo sila dun sa base ng Mount Ive, ng parang basin, yung shots na nilalagyan ako sa hair. Dun, lahat ginawa sa desert. And working with the best directors of Australia, of people, my stylist there was Elise Goodman. I'm sorry, ano yung name? Basta, she's someone from Hollywood, Elise. Her first name is Elise. And she worked with Hugh Jackman, but getting that experience, getting to hear their stories of who they are as a stylist, as a director, really gives me the goosebumps of the fact that I am working with them. Parang, wow, di ba? Ayun, so the whole trip was very spontaneous and very fun. It was very fun. And eventually, when we got back, ayun na, nag-Sydney na ako. That was personal na 2 days, yun. And yun na, it was a very fun experience. So, parang, to sum it all up, it was a once-in-a-lifetime experience that I would never forget. And it's something big. So, actually, yung commercial, nung na-launch siya noong April 2, doon ko lang din siya napanood. I had no idea kung ano yung magiging kalabasan, kung ano yung tsura ko doon, kung pantay ba yung kilay ko, whatever. Wala, hindi ko talaga alam. So, nagbulaga lang sa akin, yan na. Yun, so it felt like, wow, ito na yun.